I can imagine what can be and be unburdened by what has been.
U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris is being positioned as the future of the Democratic Party, according to a statement by the White House. As leading Democrats and their allies prepare for the possibility of President Joe Biden, 81, stepping aside, Harris is being recognized as his potential successor. During a briefing on July 3rd, White House Press Secretary Jean-Pierre referred to Harris as Biden's political heir, even mistakenly calling her president. When discussing Biden's earlier remarks about being a transitional candidate. One of the reasons why he selected Vice President Kamala Harris is because she indeed represents the future of the party, Jean-Pierre stated. Should Biden choose to withdraw following a recent challenging debate performance against former President Donald Trump, Harris, 59, would face significant competition for the Democratic presidential nomination. Potential rivals include California Governor Gavin Newsom, 56, and Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer, 52. However, some Democrats fear that Harris's candidacy might bolster Trump's chances, as a recent CNN poll showed her trailing Trump by 2 percentage points nationally, compared to Biden's 6-point deficit. Concerns persist about Harris's public demeanor, with some critics describing her as uneasy and occasionally awkward in public settings. A Democratic critic reportedly commented that she would cackle her way all the way to the Oval Office if she could. Despite these challenges, Biden reaffirmed his commitment to running with Harris on the Democratic ticket for the November 5th election during a Wednesday call with campaign staff. "There is no one I'd rather be in this battle with than all of you," Biden said in the call, urging unity and collective effort following a New York Times editorial board call for his withdrawal and public predictions by several House Democrats about his potential loss to Trump if he remains in the race. "Let's link arms. Let's get this done. You, me, the vice president together," Biden concluded.